We demonstrate the feasibility and benefits of a database that is used as an electronic health record for post-transplant care in clinical routine, and also has a highly sophisticated modular research design for the specific requirements of transplant research. Our electronic health record enables easy everyday clinical use and quick access for research questions, while ensuring highest data quality through data validation in a clinical routine setting. Clinical users and patients rely on correct laboratory data and medication plans for treatment, thereby validating and correcting the clinical data in daily practice. The electronic health record TBase has a modular database design based on commonly used standards such as HL7, which allows for easy scalability into other transplant centers. This design also allows for implementation of other features that may be required for different outpatient clinics or other research areas.
To begin, enter the web link for TBase into a Chrome engine-based web browser in Charité intranet. Enter the username and password assigned by the TBase administrator and click Log On. Next, click on the Add New Patient button at the bottom of the patient overview frame on the left. In the input screen that appears, enter the patient's name, date of birth, Charité hospital patient number or case number, and the information regarding patient consent for data processing. Once data entry is complete, click on the Save button on the bottom right.